Hi, this is Deborah Davis with another video from TechTalk.com. Today we're going to look at a cool feature in Excel known as custom drop-down lists. Now, why would you want to create your own custom drop-down list? Maybe because you want to make a spreadsheet easier for people to fill out with the selections already predefined, or you may want to make it so that they can't select their own. They choose from your list of entries. Let's take a look and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, here we have open an Excel spreadsheet, and this is just a sample little form. It's called T-shirt fundraiser. What we want to do is, instead of having a blank form for people to fill in size and color all by themselves, we want to limit the choices by creating a drop-down list for size and also for color. So the first thing you want to do is to have your spreadsheet ready for the information on the list to drop in there. We're going to think about this in two different ways. One is you create your spreadsheet in a tab, in a worksheet in your workbook. And then on another tab within the same workbook is where you're going to create the actual list that you're going to import in. So if we just go ahead and start typing, let's see, we have extra, small, small, medium, large, and we'll have extra large as the choices. Okay, after you type in your list names, make sure they're in the order you want them to appear in your drop-down window. Go ahead and highlight them, and in the box up above, we're going to give it a name. We're going to say sizes. So we have that reference. Now if we hop back over to our spreadsheet and put our cursor in the cell where you want your list to appear, this is where we're going to tell it to create the drop-down choice window. In the Data tab at the top, over here to Validation, Data Validation, you're going to check Data Validation, and this window will pop up. In the Allow category, we're creating a list, so we want to tell it List. And then we want to tell it where the list is. And because we've given it a name, sizes, we just want to put equals sizes. If you didn't name it, you could use this function, click on it, and go to where you saved your list and highlight it, but this is just an easier, more definable way. Now don't click OK to leave the box yet. Under Input Message, make sure the Show Input Message box is checked, and this is what we're going to title our list. So if they mouse over it, they'll see what it's called. We'll say T-shirt sizes. And we'll just put in a little message so that if they mouse over the box, they'll understand what they need to do. Please select your size choice. And there's one more option you want to take advantage of, the error alert. This is if someone tries to key in information in that box. If you check the show error alert when they start typing it in, the alert that we're going to type here will show up. We could choose stop, warning, maybe information. You'll see how the icon changes. We're going to say stop and just say, wait a minute. That's the error message that it'll show, and we'll say please select one of the sizes. And now we can click OK. So if everything went right, when you mouse over this, you'll see our title, T-shirt sizes. Please select your size. And the drop-down box are our choices here. And if I try to type something in here, I'm going to say jumbo. The error message shows, please select one of the sizes. This is what we told it. We told it to give it a heading of wait a minute. So I'll say retry, select from the choices. Now if everything looks okay and you want to apply what you've just done in your drop-down list to all the cells here in your table, just mouse over the bottom right corner till you see the X and drag it down the line. It'll just repeat everything you've done there. So if I click here, the same window appears. If when you created your spreadsheet, your windows are too short, maybe your titles are extra long, all you have to do is grab the column width here, and you can drag it either way. Let's just do one more really quick so that you get this. I know there's a lot of steps, but if you do this a few times, it'll kind of be ingrained in your memory. So we're going to hop back over to our the sheet, and I'm going to add colors. We'll say black, blue, yellow, green, red, and orange. I can put my choices really in any of the cells as long as I identify them. It doesn't matter where. So I'm highlighting this, and I'm just going to call this colors. I'm going to remember that I called it colors so I can identify it in the spreadsheet. Hop back over here, click in the cell I want to put my drop down list, go up to data validation, and on the settings tab, again choose list. This time I'm going to say equal colors. My input message will be colors, and please select a t-shirt color. Our error message, we'll leave it at the stop, and we'll put wait. Please select from the color list and click OK. See, boom, boom, boom. We did that very quickly. Now you'll see all the colors pulled from here, and I can again drop it down and apply it to all of my cells. And that's it. It's really quick after you do it a few times, and it's a great way to not only protect the information that you want people to fill out so they're only selecting what you choose, and also make it a really quick way in either internally or for people that you work with or sell to your clients to fill out forms that you have created. Plus, it'll make you look really smart. Anyway, this has been another video from techtalk.com. Have a great day.